Wake up. Wake up. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Turn off the alarm. Turn off the alarm. I turn off the alarm when I wake up. I turn off the alarm when I wake up. Stretch. Stretch. I stretch my body after waking up. I stretch my body after waking up. Get up. Get up. Then I get up from my bed. Then I get up from my bed. Put on. Put on. I put on my slippers. I put on my slippers. Make the bed. Make the bed. I make my bed every day. I make my bed every day. Wash your face. Wash your face. Please wash your face after you wake up. Please wash your face after you wake up. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Don't forget to brush your teeth. Don't forget to brush your teeth. Take a bath. Take a bath. I take a bath in the bathroom. I take a bath in the bathroom. Get dressed. Get dressed. I get dressed after I take a bath. I get dressed after I take a bath. Water the plants. Water the plants. I water the plants every morning. I water the plants every morning. Clip nails. Clip nails. I clip my nails. I clip my nails. Brush your hair. Brush your hair. My mother brushed my hair. My mother brushed my hair. Have breakfast. Have breakfast. I have breakfast at 7 o'clock. I have breakfast at 7 o'clock. Go to school. Go to school. I go to school with my friend. I go to school with my friend. Play with friends. Play with friends. I play with my friends. I play with my friends. Have lunch. Have lunch. I usually have lunch together at school. I usually have lunch together at school. Leave school. Leave school. I leave school at 1 p.m. every day. I leave school at 1 p.m. every day. take a nap. Take a nap. I take a nap after school. I take a nap after school. Go for a walk. Go for a walk. Let's go for a walk in the park. Let's go for a walk in the park. Go shopping. Go shopping. I have to go shopping this afternoon. I have to go shopping this afternoon. Take a break. Take a break. It's a good time to take a break. It's a good time to take a break. Hanging out. Hanging out. I love hanging out with friends. I love hanging out with friends. Cooking dinner. Cooking dinner. My mother and I are cooking dinner. My mother and I are cooking dinner. Have dinner. Have dinner. We usually have dinner at 6 p.m. We usually have dinner at 6 p.m. Do homework. Do homework. I do my homework in the evening. I do my homework in the evening. Read a book. Read a book. I always read a book before sleeping. I always read a book before sleeping. Fall asleep. Fall asleep. He falls asleep instantly. He falls asleep instantly. Go to bed. Go to bed. I think I'll go to bed early tonight. I think I'll go to bed early tonight. Take out the garbage. Take out the garbage. Don't forget to take out the garbage. Don't forget to take out the garbage. Have a snack. Have a snack. Her mother said that Sarah could only have a snack of fruit. Her mother said that Sarah could only have a snack of fruit. To get home. To get home. It took 2 hours to get home. It took 2 hours to get home.